Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can put your pixel on Seller. So this is my Seller account and I already have my products here. So I'm not really going to teach you much about Seller. I'm just going to be teaching you how you can install your pixel on Seller. So first things first, make sure you have a Seller account, you're logged in, you have your products. Just like what I'm doing now, I have my seller account. I'm already logged in and I have my products. The second thing you want to do is make sure you are logged in to your Facebook dashboard and you have access to it. So I'm already logged into my Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. If you are not, simply go to Ads Manager facebook.com and it will take you straight to your ads manager account, and from there you can see where you want to install the pixel. So that is what I'm going to be doing now. I am on my ads manager account and I will be installing the pixel, right? So the pixel is basically used for tracking, and I've covered some part of it already in this course, so very, very important. I'm not going to teach you how to create a pixel. It's already covered. I've already covered that on some other videos. I'm just going to teach you how you can install your pixel. So the first thing you want to do is you move your mouse to the left-hand side and come to Events Manager. Events Manager is where you're going to see all the details about your pixel, right? So you want to come to Events Manager, and then depending on your account, it might ask you to continue. Some will just go, but this is a business account, has multiple accounts under it. So sometimes it will tell us to switch. Don't bother yourself, click on continue and switch. Now we are under Events Manager Overview, and this is our pixel. Now for something like Seller, it's very simple. You can just come here and copy this pixel and you are done. But I'm going to do something else, right? In case you did not see the pixel here, you can come to data sets, can come to data set again, look at the pixel here. For something like Seller, you just need to copy this pixel, right? You just need to copy this code. You can copy this code. There are so many places where you're going to see your pixel. Again, see it by the right hand side. Look at it here. This is your pixel. I want to zoom. For some reason, I can't move to the left. All right, this is your pixel. You can tap on it here again and copy. So let's assume you've copied your pixel. The next thing you want to do is to go back to Seller and then come to this place. You can see this this hamburger sign by the right hand side. If you tap on it, you scroll down to integrations. So when you tap on integrations, you see Facebook pixel. So you tap on Facebook pixel, and once it loads, all you need to do is to come to this place and paste your pixel here. So once you do that, you just click on update your pixel. Now, I don't want to do that on this account. So I'm going to do this whole process again on the right account so that I don't have to change everything. So let me just go back to the right account that is already connected, because I have products on my seller that are presently running adverts. So I don't want anything to mess them up. All right. So again, just to follow the whole step, I want you to get this. So I'm going to do it a second time. Be logged into your account, be logged into your Facebook account, and then ensure you are on your, what do you call it now, on your ads manager. Then you need to go to, um, what do you call it? Events manager. So by the left hand side, you're going to see events manager. It looks like, I don't know what they call it, but four circles, right? Interconnected circles or something like that. So once you click on events manager, it will take you to event manager overview. You can copy your pixel from there, but you can also go to data sets. You can go to data sets and copy your pixel from there. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. You can see my pixel here. So if I click on data sets, I can also copy my pixel from there. See it here, my pixel ID. Again, it will also show by this side. Look at it here. It's not showing completely and I can't seem to zoom over to this place, but let me see if I can reduce this size. Okay, good. It's now showing completely. I can click on copy. See, why was it not showing completely before? Okay. So I can just click on copy. and I will copy once I tap on it, it will copy it, and then I head over to Selar. Again, like I said, wherever you are on Selar, just tap on the right, the hamburger sign, and then scroll down, scroll down. You will see integrations. You will see integrations. Once you see integrations, this is it here. Once you see integrations, you tap on it, the drop down. You will see Facebook Pixel. So once you click on Facebook Pixel, it's going to take you to this particular page where we are. And all you need to do is usually you will not have anything. Yours is going to be empty like this if you've not installed the Pixel before. But if you have, it's going to have a Pixel. So in my case, I want to install my Pixel now, and I will just click on Update Pixel. Now, once you've updated your Pixel, and the next thing you want to do is come back to your events manager, and then you click on Add Events. You click on add events. Now you want to test that page or where you are sending that place where you're sending people. So let me pick a random page on my seller account where I'm sending people to test if it's working. All right. So okay, so let me pick a random page. So if you copy the link to that page, so let this page just load. Let me show you. Now, if you copy the link to this your seller page, right, for people oh my God, what's this? Now, if you copy the link to this, right, you copy the link to this, right, and this is what you want people to come and buy. You can see your buy now button. So once you've copied the link, you come to the top, you copy the link, Control C, and then I go back to my ad to my ads manager. I'll click on add events, right? Now, for some people, you might see some warnings here telling you um some things. You can just close it, so that you can access the ad events. Whatever the warning you see, just close it and search for ad events. It's here. It might be hidden, but just search for it. You're going to find it. Click on add events and then click on from the pixel. So if you click on from the pixel, it's going to just bring you this sites connect website activity using pixel, and then it will allow you to open the event setup tool. So when you click on open event setup tool, you can then paste that website you copied. So this is it here, and I click on add events. Now, if your pixel is installed properly, you copied it well, and you've installed it properly, it is going to pop up something here. And you're going to see it here. Okay, so sometimes it may not work immediately. Please try it again. It could be network. It could just be Facebook messing up. My pixel is installed properly, but sometimes. Now, if you try it like 3 to 5 times and it keeps giving you that error it gave you in the beginning, this particular error, then it means your pixel was not found. So I'm going to go back now. Look at the pixel here. I just want to make sure I'm on I'm on the wrong pixel. No wonder. I'm on the wrong account. Sorry. No wonder I didn't find it. So you can see that if your pixel is not installed, this is the area I'm going to get. This is the right account. This is what I'm supposed to use because I didn't use that other account. So let's do it from here. So if I click on add events from the pixel, I was on the wrong account. That was why. Let me close this because I'm not using it. So if I click on this and then it is going to show me that setup here. It's going to show me this setup at the right hand side. So if you try it like 2 3 times and you get that error, it means there's something wrong with your pixel setup. So it's good that it even showed that error. You can see it has now popped out. So we can now you can now do this. Now, all you need to do is to track your buy now buttons. You can just track your buy now buttons. So you can just track a new button. Now, I love to do 2 things. I like to track a URL, which means anybody who visits this, um, you can track them as a lead, right? Anybody that visits this website, I can track them as a lead, or I can track them as maybe they are interested, they want to initiate checkout or something. So I'm just trying to look for Nigeria, yeah. So I can track them maybe as a lead, or let me see, I usually track them as view content. So they viewed the content. So I love to track them as viewed content. So I'll click on confirm. Okay, again, what I did was that let me cancel it and start again. I clicked on track a URL and I now selected view content, which means I want to know everybody who visits this site. And this is not really important. This currency here is not really important for this particular one I'm doing. So if I click on confirm, it is now going to be tracking everybody that comes here. But again, I want to track people who are buying stuff. So if I click on track button, I will now select my buy now button. I will track it, and then I will select it as initiate checkout or add to carts, right? I will not select it as purchase because the fact that somebody clicked buy now does not usually mean they are buying that thing. Do you understand? Especially on Seller. So I will use it as add to cart because usually once they click on buy now, it usually adds to cart. So I'll click it as add to cart, and then I would select my currency. This is very useful for you knowing how much you make right directly from the ads. This and so I can say choose value on page. That's 10,000 naira, and I can click on confirm. And once you've done this, you basically don't need to do any other thing because you've added that pixel at the back. So Facebook would now automatically track it even when somebody ends up making a sale. So even when somebody ends up making a sale, Facebook will automatically track it for you. You don't need to do any other thing. You understand? So that's basically how you set up ads. Once you click on finish, don't ask me again and skip. It's going to close this page and take you back here, and you've set up your pixel on your seller account. So that's the very simple way of setting up your pixel on seller. One thing I want to say is that there are other sites like Selar, such as Selfany. Selfany works exactly like Selar, so the process is the same. You need to copy your what do you call it now? Your Pixel ID and paste it under integrations in Selfany and do the same thing. Basically, exactly the same step with Selar. All right, so see you in the next video. Cheers.